Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. And it's that time of year again, Christmas decorating season, my favorite time of year. So happy Tablescape Tuesdays. The ladies of Elegance are here to bring you that Christmas decorating inspiration with some gorgeous Christmas tablescapes. Today we are joined by the 4 R's of thrifting. Thank you so much for being our guest host today, Judith. Anna of the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and myself, Amethyst Adventures, are happy to present to you Tablescape Tuesdays, our weekly open collab where we feature gorgeous tablescapes. Links to all of our channels as well as the playlist will be in my description box below. For today's tablescape, I've incorporated some of my mom's pieces, thrift finds, DIYs, and some new purchases. So let me walk you through. The red tablecloth and tartan plaid both belong to my mom. The wreath that I used as a centerpiece was a DIY. And if you haven't seen that video, I'll make sure to link it in the description box below. From Home Goods, I got that set of 3 gold vases last year. On to the thrift finds. The florals in the large vase were thrifted, as well as all the dishware, flatware, coasters, napkins, and napkin rings. Honey, you know your girl loves to thrift and find those fantastic bargains. I hope you like this beautiful tartan plaid tablescape and that it gives you inspiration. If you're new here, I would love for you to be a part of the Amethyst Adventures family. It's free, it's quick, and honey, it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. And as a reminder to all of my fellow YouTube creators, Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Simply upload your video and use our hashtag Tablescape Tuesdays 22. We would love to have you. Thank you again for watching. Thank you to all of my subscribers, my die-hard subscribers who have rode with me from the very beginning, and all of my new subscribers. I welcome you and I thank you for your support. So until next time.